everybody, Steven here again. Hey, I haven't made a video in a long time and I feel really bad about that. But I wanted to let you know that everything's good and I'll be starting up my videos hopefully daily in the next, as of today. So if you like this channel and you've been around, I don't want you guys to think that you have anything to worry about because guess what? I'm not going anywhere. As a matter of fact, in the new year, I decided that I want to do a little bit of a law of attraction type course, which will be a series of videos on ways that you guys can really utilize and pick up the principles of law of attraction very quickly without having to go through the how do I do it, what do I do type thing. I want to provide excellent value to you, so I'd love to hear your suggestions, and you can leave your suggestions in this video or you can email me on the email address in the link description of this video too. So we're going to start up with the daily videos again tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit difficult for me because of a hectic schedule, but it's all about bringing as much value as I possibly can to everybody out there. I want you guys to have a great, safe, happy new year and hope that you're doing well. Thanks for watching. I picked up a bunch of subscribers over the break. It might be just a little bit of a pickup because of the New Year's, or maybe I'm just very blessed. But either way, like, share, and subscribe the heck out of these videos. Send me an email if you guys want, and I would love to hear from you. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.